Hello, first grade. Happy Wednesday. We are ready to start one of my favorite math concepts ever. We are ready to learn what a fact family is. I'm going to say it again, fact family. So in a fact family, we have 3 numbers, but 4 math problems. Sometimes we think about it like a mom, a dad, a brother, and a sister. So I was just letting that settle for a second. So look at this house. This fact family lives in a house just like a family does. And in this family or house, we have 3 numbers. This one that I'm going to do a couple examples today, we have 3, 4, and 7. So remember, 7 is the biggest number. So when we have a fact family, we don't use any other numbers but the 3 that are given to us, or 3 that add together, because we know 3 plus 4 is 7. We know 4 plus 3 is 7. We know 7 minus 3 is 4. We know 7 minus 4 is 3. So you should see in just a second how everything we've been doing is leading up to this. So that we know we have to figure out which 2 of these numbers add together to make the other, so that we know 3 plus 4 is 7. So we're going to start with an adding. So there's going to be 2 adding, 2 addition sentences, 2 subtraction sentences. So I'm going to start with 3 plus 4 equals 7. And then guess what? I'm going to give our flip-flop. So 4 goes front, 3 goes to the back. 4 plus 3 also equals 7. So that part should be very simple. It's just the addition fact that you can find out of the 3 numbers given, and then it's flip-flop. I'm going to switch colors just for a visual. Now we know, now we need subtraction. Subtraction. What number has to come first? The biggest. So we go over here and we get the 7. Don't come up with another number. And then these 7s have to shift all the way to the front for the subtraction sentences. So now, let me use color. We have 7 and 7. Remember yesterday we talked about now we just go backwards. So now we have 7 minus 4. I'm looking backwards equals 3. And now it's just a subtraction flip-flop. Leave the 7, switch these 2 numbers. 3 goes up, 4 goes back. We did this during virtual learning right after Christmas break. 7 minus 3 is 4. So we're just playing around with these numbers, really, because they're all related, just like we have family. Numbers have families. They're all related. So you can see 3 plus 4 is 7. Flip-flop, 4 plus 3 is 7. Big numbers go to the front. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. There is no other numbers but 7, 3, and 4. And that's what's important to remember. Don't try to bring in any other numbers that just fall out of the sky, because then you're going to be confused. All right, so let's erase this one. And let's try another one. Remember, this is a YouTube video. If that was like, whoa, that was a lot, Ms. Gates, rewind and start it over again. If you're like, I got it, and you're ready for another example, let's keep going. Our next set of numbers, 6, 2, and 4. So we know which 2 numbers add together. The other 2. You got it. 2 plus 4 is 6. So we start there. I'm going to stop for a second. I want you to think. What am I going to do to get my next addition sentence? You got it. Flip-flop. 4 goes to the front plus 2. The sum is still the same. It still equals 6. I'm going to stop again. Who can tell me what happens to these 6s? Because now we're subtracting. And we have to start with the, you got it, biggest number. What's the biggest number? 2, 6, or 4? Excellent, it's 6. So I say these 6s take a trip. Shh. I'm going to put a box around here, and they go to the front. So now we have 6 and 6. Go backwards. 6 minus 4 is 2. Write it down. Flip-flop those 2. 6 minus 2 goes up. 4 goes back. Minus 2 is 4. You're going to try this on your own today, and we're going to keep practicing. Good luck.